Good morning, children. Today I am going to start the new chapter of science. The chapter name is Good Habits. In this chapter, we are going to learn what good habits we must follow. So, the children, first the question arises that why we must follow good habits. Children, we must follow good habits because good habits help us to stay clean and healthy. While eating, use your own plate and glass. Do not stuff your mouth. Chew your food slowly. Chew with your mouth closed. Do not talk while eating. Do not drop your food all over. So the children here, some good habits are given that you should follow while eating. So when you are eating, what good habits you must follow are: use your own plate and glass. Children, when you are eating, you must use your own plate and glass. Don't use others' plate and glass. Do not stuff your mouth. Means do not fill your mouth with too much food. Chew your food slowly. You must chew your food slowly, not fastly. Chew with your mouth closed. So when you are eating your food, you must close your mouth and chew the food. Do not open your mouth and chew the food. Do not talk while eating. And when you are eating, do not talk. While eating, we must not talk. Do not drop your food all over. Eat slowly and do not spread your food all over. So here these are the some good habits that you must follow while eating. At home, help to keep your house clean, keep your toys in place, keep your books in place. So children, here some good habits are given which you must follow when you are at home. Help to keep your house clean. So children, when you are at home, you must help your elders or your parents to keep your house clean. Keep your toys in place. And when you are playing with your toys, so after playing with it, you must keep your toys in a proper place. Keep your books in place. So when you are studying, so after studying, you must keep your books also in the proper place, and you must help your elders in the household work when you are at home. So these are the some good habits you must follow when you are at home. In the toilet, go to the toilet regularly, flush the toilet after using it, then wash your hands. Do not waste water. Now children, here are the some good habits are given which you must follow when you are using the toilet. Go to the toilet regularly. You must use the toilet regularly. Flush the toilet after using it. After using the toilet, you must flush it. Then wash your hands. After coming from the toilet, you must wash your hand properly. Do not waste water. And children, this is very important that you must not waste water because water is precious and you must save the water. Children, here some more good habits are given that you must follow. Use your hanky when you sneeze or cough. When you are sneezing or coughing, you must use a clean hanky. Never bite your nails. Children, never bite your nails. You must trim your nails with a nail cutter. Because if you are biting your nails, that it might be happen that germs from your nails may enter in your body and you may fall sick. So you must trim your nails with a nail cutter. Throw rubbish only in the dustbin. You must throw the rubbish only in the dustbin. Don't throw the waste materials wherever you want. Because if you throw the waste materials anywhere, so the germs may cause. That's why whenever you are throwing the rubbish, you must throw it in the dustbin only. Now children, what we have learned from this chapter? From this chapter we have learned that we must have good habits to keep ourselves clean, healthy and happy. And we must follow the good habits. I hope you have understood this chapter, children. Thank you, children.